Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Third Person Tech. We're here, and today I'm going to show you how to change a water filter and your air filter on this Frigidaire unit. It's the same concept. We got to get this top shelf emptied out. This is the air filter for this unit, just a pretty flat carbon paper. You're going to reach to the left hand side, also to the right hand side, pry that cover off, and we're going to put that carbon filter right inside there. This carbon filter helps to get rid of any smell in the refrigerator. Also purifies the air, so it's very important that you change this carbon filter. Please hit the notification bell and the subscribe button to this channel. Then you're going to clip back in. It's just going to pop right back in. Now we're going to change the water filter on the right hand side. This is a water filter you turn lefty loosey, pull out. See a little bit of water dripping. Always hold that filter upright. We got the brand new filter out of the pack. Comes to the plastic, so I gotta get this little butter knife. Let me take this plastic off. Okay, got the plastic off. And now, as soon as you get the plastic right off the filter, it is in and turn right, righty tighty. This is the same concept for all refrigerators when you're changing the filter. So you go in, then you go to the right, make sure it's tight, make sure it's locked, and it's in there snug. Good. Now, after you change your water filter on all refrigerators, including this unit, you have to reset the water filter light. Because if you don't reset the water filter light, it's still going to pop up on the front of your refrigerator saying that you need to change your water filter. This particular screen is locked, so I'm trying to unlock this screen right now at the moment. Most of these new refrigerators, modern stuff, they come with a lock. So you hit the up button, and we're going to go inside the menu of this refrigerator. Okay. All right. So now we're going to access the menu of this refrigerator. We're going to go up. You see where it says water filter? Normally it tells you to hold a button down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then that water filter light's going to come off once we go down to water filter. We're going to go to reset the water filter. It's right there. Enter. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to come off. It's the same thing also for the air filter. So what you're doing in essence, you're resetting the computer, letting the computer know you've just put in a new filter and it resets. Your water filter and your air filter needs to be changed once a year. After you change your water filter, you have to bleed the line because the water filter is brand new and there's going to be air sitting in the line. Don't forget to subscribe. So you're going to get a big container. This container is too small. Look what happens. Splish! You don't want that. So you get a big pitcher and you take out about a couple gallons of water until you have a steady stream of water. And this is for all refrigerators. After you change your water filter, once you have a water dispenser, you have to bleed the line. There's going to be air in the line. If you don't bleed the line, you're going to get a drink and it's going to go splish splash. So you take a couple gallons out. As soon as you see a steady stream, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. It's your boy Third Person Tech. Please hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Until next time, I'm out.